Hello friends, today's recipe is kathal ki sabzi or jackfruit curry. So this is the jackfruit. Those of you don't know, this is how it looks like. You can find it in Indian grocery store. To cut this, first apply oil on knife and in your hand. That is very important because when you are cutting it, it starts sticking on the knife and in your hand. Jackfruit is hard to cut, so here I am taking my husband's help to cut it. And this is how it looks like from inside after cutting. Now cut it into further half. Make sure to apply the oil after each cut, otherwise it will start sticking in your hand. And this is the seed. Put it in the bowl. Now start removing the skin from the jackfruit. Do it carefully because it is hard to remove the skin. In some part of the countries, people eat the ripe jackfruit, that is, after ripening it became yellow in color, and this is how it looks like. And now today we are going to make the curry out of it, and those of you like the non-veg, it is the good substitute of that. And now cut it into further half. Make sure not to cut the seeds. Make the pieces like I'm showing you here and put it in a bowl, and then I will show you the next step. Now in a kadhai or pan, heat some oil. Now start adding the jackfruit pieces. Make sure the heat is on medium flame and the oil is medium hot. Here I have used the mustard oil. In this recipe, mustard oil is good, but you can use any vegetable oil. And now fry it until it turns golden. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Keep on stirring in between. And now you have seen it's properly fried. Remove it on a tissue paper. Do it carefully, and you have seen the perfect color. And at this point you have to remove it. It is slightly oily, but when you are removing it on a tissue paper, the tissue paper absorbs the oil, and you have seen the color. It's perfectly fried. Now similar way, fried rest of the jackfruit pieces or the kathal pieces. Make sure to fry it on medium flame, otherwise it will take more time when you are making the curry. And the second batch is also properly fried. Remove it on a tissue paper. Now in a separate pan, add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil or any cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it crackle. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, and now saute it for about a minute or until it slightly turns brown. Add 1 medium size onion paste and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes or until it starts leaving the oil on medium flame. And you have seen it's done. Add asafoetida or hing, turmeric powder, coriander powder, black pepper powder, red chili powder according to your taste, garam masala, and saute it. Make sure the heat is on low flame at this point. And this is the tomato puree in which I have added 1 green chili and 1-inch ginger piece, 1 medium sized tomato, half teaspoon of salt or according to your taste. And now cook it until it starts leaving the oil. And you have seen the curry is almost ready. It starts leaving the oil. Keep on stirring until it will change its color. Once the gravy is ready, add the fried jackfruit pieces in it, and now coat all the jackfruit pieces in the gravy properly. It will take about a minute or so. After mixing everything together, add 2 cups of water. You can add less water if you want the gravy to be thick. And now give it a quick mix. And now cover it and cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes on medium to low flame. After 10 minutes, open the lid and you have seen the gravy is almost ready. To check whether the jackfruit curry is properly cooked, take one piece and with the help of spoon press it, and if it is cut properly as I am showing you here. That means the curry is done. Otherwise cook it for another 1 to 2 minutes. Add handful of cilantro and switch off the gas. Give it a quick mix. Cover it and set it aside for about a minute. And here is the delicious and healthy jackfruit curry ready to serve. Isn't it look so yummy and tempting? You can serve hot with rice or Indian flatbread. Serve hot. It will give a nice taste and aroma, and those of you like the non-veg, it is a great substitute for that. And if you like this recipe of jackfruit curry, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe.